Today guys, I show you how to fix OBS high CPU usage, reduce CPU usage and lag. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Just open OBS like me and move here to settings, move here to output, and here on output mode just switch like me to simple. In this first section streaming, you will see here video encoder, click on it and choose like me hardware. If you don't have hardware, leave it on software. After that, encoder preset, click on it and choose like me low quality. Video bitrate you can do like me 2000 kilobytes. Move here to recording, do the same, recording quality, leave high quality. Video encoder, choose also hardware. If you don't have, leave on software. After that, go apply and go here to video. Here in general section you will see base canvas resolution from 1080p, click on it, choose to 7020 and do here the same on output. Move here to FPS from 60, choose to 30 and go apply and OK. Press one more time settings, move here advanced, move here in general, process priority, click on it and choose here above normal. Apply and OK. And these are the best settings for OBS. How to fix OBS high CPU usage, reduce CPU usage and lag. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.